Cooking with Ava. Today, I'm going to be making chocolate chip cookies.
Catch them stars in the night. Every superpower that is yours will be mine. I'll be that it girl, pouting mouth, crossing the line.
The ingredients for the chocolate chip cookies: 1 cup of butter, softened, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 packed brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 cups of chocolate chips. The magic of editing, the ingredients will appear in front of me. Boom! Your ingredients are right in front of your face. Now that we have all the ingredients, we will cream together the butter and sugar. Also, safety note, make sure you have an adult supervision. Put the butter in the bowl. And then I'm gonna put some sugar in the bowl. And we're gonna add our brown sugar. Now we're gonna cream up our butter and sugar. Now beat in 1 of your eggs at a time. Don't overmix it, guys. Now we're gonna put in our second egg. Now we're gonna add our vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, we're gonna add our dry ingredients. We're gonna put 2 cups of flour. Now we're gonna add some baking powder, baking soda, and whisk. We're gonna add our dry ingredients to our butter, cream, and sugar. And now we're going to use a spatula to mix it. Once you mix it into this beautiful dough, you're gonna add your chocolate chips. And mix. Now we're going to preheat our oven to 375. There. Now we're going to add our coconut oil onto the pan so the cookie dough don't stick on the pan. Now we're going to scoop our cookie dough on our tray. Now we're gonna put our cookies in the oven for 7 minutes. And wear gloves when you put them in, guys, so your hands don't burn.
Everybody has their job, 9 to 5, and getting drained. They settle for second best, scared to risk what the future might bring. What the future might